The Kizer Mini Bulldog might be my new all-time favorite EDC. It is made by Kizer Vanguard edition of Kizer itself. And it is a nice, fancy, small knife for you to go and take and use it for EDC purposes and so on. Knife itself is nice and slick. It opens up really nice. It has an axis lock over here for safety. And I do like that you can go ahead and release this pretty quick. It opens and closes very nice as well. And I like the name, the Bulldog. And the Bulldog itself looks really nice and fancy. Look at this cutting surface over here. It looks really great. It has a thumb stud right at the top over here. And it is D2 material, which is really good and budget friendly. Opens and closes very nice. I like the grip here. The G10 grip is really phenomenal when it comes to holding it and so on. And when it comes to this thing being exactly in place, you can see right here, it is lined up. No issues with that whatsoever. Now, when you open this up, the grip itself is very good. It is a very interesting kind of a grip. So it's shaped like your hand kind of naturally goes in here. So this is good for people who want to slice things down specifically. It is a specialty knife. So if you're getting this kind of knife, you're looking for specialty work to be actually done. Talking about specialty work over here, let's go ahead and give this a test run, how this thing actually performs and how it actually cuts. So this is made to chop things down, and it's exceptionally sharp. As you can see, it really chops things pretty quick as well. So this one is the knife you should actually get yourself in case you're looking to chop things right down. So if you're into cutting things for eating, for just dicing them down, this is the knife for you to get. It is made for chopping things quick and fast and easy. That being said, this knife is not for everyone because its specific purpose is to go ahead and slice things down. Specifically downward is the way of the game when it comes to the Bulldog itself. It's made for that. So if you're getting this for other kind of purposes, this might not be correct knife for you to get. But if you're getting it for this extensive purpose, this is exactly what you need to get it for. Then this is the perfect knife for you to get. As you can see, this is a really nice looking knife altogether. I think the D2 steel is especially appropriate for this kind of a knife because it is not too expensive to use that, and at the same exact time, for its shape, for its form, and for its function, it's actually the perfect choice for this knife itself. The size of it fits in the palm of your hand. It is very good ratio of the top here not being too heavy and the bottom here being exactly right. So when you're putting it to balance this out, it balances pretty well in your hand and it feels really natural. Kizer has been known to make a lot of really good quality knives, and the Bulldog is no exception to that. And by itself, this knife does have a nice clip right on here in the back, and not only that, it looks pretty good. So if this is the shape you're after and you need something for cutting things down as opposed to the side action or something else, if you're walking and you need things like that done like this kind of an action with this knife, then the Bulldog is the one for you to consider. So specialty knives is when it comes to that, you have to remember specialty knives are a little different than regular knives, and this one is made for specific jobs when it comes to its place. But for you to open and close, really nice. I like the thumb stud over here, making it very easy for you to access this, and access lock for safety. Really nice looking, handy knife, and I can't get myself to put this away from my hand because I really like the way it feels. It is very ergonomic wise, and it opens and snaps and closes very quick, so it is very fidget friendly as well. So not only useful for work, it's also fidget friendly, and I really think that you should consider this as your next EDC.